Do you know you can be making a lot of money if you follow this simple strategy that I'm going to show you? This arbitrage is all about p2p, how you can make money from p2p in the market. Okay, and I'm going to show you a very simple tricks of which people are using to make money on this platform. So the platform I'm using here is gate.io. Before I proceed on this tutorial, if you are coming across my channel for the first time, please do well to subscribe, like and share my video. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the tutorial of the day. So first and foremost, if you log into your gate.io, what you need to do is come to this place you are seeing USDT. You click on this USDT, change it to Doge. Once you change it to Doge, you will see that nobody is selling to you to buy, rather everybody is buying from you. The thing here is they're actually making money by buying from you. Okay, so in your own case, what do you need to do? First of all, you need to go and post an ads just like them. If you Let me explain the difference between this buy and sell to you for the purpose of the newbies. For instance, if you click on buy here, although there's nobody that is selling Doge for you to buy, if you want to buy Doge, eh, you come to this buy side. If there is any merchant that is selling Doge, you buy from the person. Then if you go to sell side, that means you are the one going to sell your Doge to a merchant, and the merchant is going to buy it from you by sending you money. Then you sell some Doge coins to the person. Since everybody is focusing on buying from you, what you need to do is to go to YouTube, search on how to post an ads on gate.io, and you will know how to post all these ads. So for instance, you want to do this arbitrage with 50,000 naira. You click on sell. Let's use the first guy. If you post an ads, okay, you post a buy ad, it's going to appear on the sell side for anybody that wants to sell Dogecoin to you and you buy from them. So let's say you are this first guy on top here, because his rate is actually quite okay. You click on sell. Let's say you want to buy 50,000 naira worth of Dogecoin. So you are going to the person is going to send you 94.33 Doge, and you are going to credit the person account with 50,000 naira. That means you bought 94.33 Doge with just 50,000 naira. After buying 94.33 Doge with just 50,000 naira, this is what you are going to do. You move to Doge/USDT. This is what you are going to do. Your 94.33 Doge is going to give you 35.614 USDT. So you go back to your p2p. So once you are on your p2p, you change this Doge to USDT. Change this Doge to USDT. You click on sell. Once you click on sell, you come down here, look for a merchant. Let's just insert like 50,000. Okay, you see there is this merchant that actually you can sell your coin to. This one here, let's click on sell here. So click by amount. So our 94.33 gave us, you see it, let's say it was 35.14 USDT. Then you can see you will make approximately, let me say, 58,000 naira. So this arbitrage is actually working. Don't forget, the first thing you need to do is log into your gate.io, learn how to place an ads. So once you place an ads, put in your your desired price. If anybody comes to sell it to you, you buy it and go and change to USDT and make your profit. This is the simplest arbitrage ever. Mind you, you need to put more effort in doing this. It's not something that you just do it and you think for the first time you just try it that you are going to make up to 1 million, 2 million. No, it doesn't work that way. It's gradually, step by step. Everybody in this platform start it from somewhere. Okay, you can also make it. Okay, so we started this arbitrage with 50,000 naira and we were able to make up to 58,000 naira. Let's say 58,000 naira minus our initial capital, which was 50,000 naira. Then our profit is 8,000 naira here. Let's say 8,000 naira. If we do this times two, we are going to make 16,000. Then if we do this like 5 times, we are going to make 40,000 naira. So it is quite a very cool arbitrage. But let me also sound this to you: the higher your capital, the higher your profit. You cannot use 50,000 naira and expect to earn the same way with someone that is using 200,000 naira. So that is it. If you like this kind of content or you like this kind of video, please do well to subscribe, like and share. Thank you.